For CNC machining production, besides the detailed drawing, what other information is needed? Material, for example, 630 stainless steel. Of course, we also machine titanium alloy, copper, iron, and more. Appearance, requirements can include burr-free, oil-free, damage-free, rust-free, fully customized according to customer needs. Hardness, for example, greater than or equal to 350 HV 0.3. Surface roughness, for example, less than or equal to RA 2.0 micrometers. Corrosion resistance requirement, for example, meeting or exceeding YY/T0149 to 2006 grade D. All our machining services can be customized according to your specific requirements. Contact us today.